Okay, you're good, you're good. Okay, us four, let's stay together.
Dennis, I'm coming in for the trust hunt.
Dennis, Julian, come on in. Let's see those cards.
It's yours too. Oh yeah, you're the sheriff.
No, wait, let's wait. You only have a 9 second.
Okay. You got a second to run out of the...
Okay.
Kill Julian!
Julian! Kill the traitor! I'm dead.
Hello everybody and welcome to another TTT video. In this video we incorporated a little bit of inspiration from other YouTubers. We're now using cards to select our T as well as our detective, and we've also incorporated the Trust Hut.
Everybody, corner of the map. The game starts in 30 seconds.
Oh. Testing! Okay, I'm gonna need some BBs in there. How's it going, man?
I can't read this.
Let's see it. What is it? We'll test it out. That's a dangerous weapon, my friend.
Don't touch me.
No. Okay. Whoa.
Hey, try out the trust hut. No, get out both. What the fuck?
Hello, my friends.
Trust hut was up.
Hello, my. Don't point that at me like that. The pins are still in.
Who fucking killed?
Hey, the pins are still in. Pins are still in.
Hey, guys, the trust hut is right there. I don't trust anyone. They go in the trust hut. Oh, dude. Dayton, get in the trust hut. Dayton.
Hold. I'm fiddling, dude.
Hey, dude, you don't want to point weapons here, dude. I'm going in the trust hut.
How's that even?
Oh, we got one. We need one more.
Oh, there we go.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out how these things work, dude.
Oh, you just drop them, aren't they?
Down.
Yeah.
Weapons down.
Yeah.
No. 3.
Shit. It's gotta be a gun around here. Oh, there's 2 of them. I didn't even see that. Oh. Did I not shoot him?
Yeah, he is. Hey, Bradley. Elliot and Dayton.
I'm pretty sure I shot him. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. So full. Bang. You didn't shoot anything. No. So Flo, we're on the same team, you know. Ah! Oh.
I wanna swim. I'm genuinely upset.
I think that's everyone.
Yeah, you told me.
Up next, I picked the detective card. My job was to help the citizens find out who the terrorists were and help them eliminate them.
They're in the trust hut.
They are?
You should trust them if they're coming out.
Can I trust out with you guys? You two. What the fuck's okay, you two are my guards. Let's get a weapon. Come on. There's a pistol right here. Right there. There's a pistol.
Where are you? He can be trusted. Elliot's like over there or something.
Yeah.
Watch your Elliot.
I need a real gun.
Laura, come here. Hey, there's nothing more. Oh my god. Guys, Elliot's being suspicious. Hey, God, you help her. Get in the trust hut.
I get it. No, but watch me. I'm here. You take one of these.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna search. Point a gun at both of them. Keep one on each. I'm gonna search Elliot. Elliot, put down the gun a little bit.
Hey. Here you go, guys.
Please put down the gun.
There's guys coming in from the back.
Put down the gun.
Put it down.
Put it down.
Other pocket, man. Other pocket. His other pocket. Why is he having hostage? I don't know. Get your hair out of my mouth. You good?
I think I can trust him.
Hostage.
I think.
Good, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, I got people walking in.
Oh, okay. Let me search. Laura, I'm just gonna.
Julian, aim for Julian. Stay back, man. I don't want
Do you feel?
this. I can feel her booty.
Okay, I feel like she's okay.
That guy's fucking worse.
Okay.
Hey, dude, get over here. Julian, go for Julian.
It's in the dump pouch if you want to take a look at our boss.
Alright, that guy. We trust that.
Dump pouch is the card.
It's the card. Oh,
Yeah,
cool, dude. Carry on.
Yeah, we saw the cards. We're good.
Did we check Michael?
No, I didn't trust that.
Oh, what was he?
He's black.
One of the terrorists is down. I got him with the pistol.
You did.
Be Julian.
Okay, so who's left out of this group? We got Soflo and we got.
Dead down there. He's over there dead.
Did you start?
Yeah, I searched him. I saw his card actually.
We got the anime character.
I just like that's the least suspicious thing. Have that tiny little thing.
Okay, guys, let's move. Let's move up.
Terrorists with it.
Let's move up a bit here.
I totally came up behind him and I was like,
I'm gonna search you. Okay?
Yo, a slow.
Where do you keep your card?
Sofo's behind the hut. Behind the hut.
Where do you keep your card?
He's behind the hut.
In this?
He's behind the hut. Hey man!
Are you okay? Cool.
Shotgun! No, you didn't hit me.
no, I hit you all over. Shotgun.
Okay.
I've already been shot.
Oh, is that both the terrorists?
Yeah, that was both of them. I got one of them.
Dude.
Alright.
We done?
I just shotgunned you.
We won! We finally won!
Guys, we won. We did it. We did it. We did it.
There you go, guys. That last run was like the most Canadian thing. I didn't even have to shoot a shot and we won the game. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I tried to keep in longer videos because you guys seem to like the longer gameplays of things. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you want to see more, click on that little red box down below and you can see one of my last videos. Otherwise, subscribe and you can see the ones coming up. I hope to see you guys on the next one, and as always, I still don't have an outro, so talk to you later.
Have I been killed yet?